one thing that I would highly recommend is that for the last few months of this year, even though things might be very different to what you were expecting them to be, it's really smart to get ready for next year and to do your best to stay focused over the next few months, to do your best work. And there is one activity that we do here at Basic Bananas, and we do it every single quarter. And I will share it with you now here so that you can do it too. It's really helpful to work out what's working in your business, what's not working, and then to be really focused, hyper-focused for the next quarter. So we do this activity every single quarter, and you might have heard of it. It's keep, stop, start. So what you do is, and you can get your team on board to do this too, you can make 3 columns. Sorry, I made a little bit of a mess here. And in the first column you put keep, in the second one stop, in the last one start. And then what you do is you do a brainstorm either with yourself or your team, where you ask yourself, what should you keep in your business? So what is working really well right now? The second question you ask yourself is, what should you stop doing? So what are some things that you're doing also in terms of your marketing that is not working, that you can maybe stop doing? And then the last column is, what could you start doing? So what is something new that you could be doing to see if it works? If you have team to join you in this activity, get them to come prepared to the meeting and tell them about this. You can send them this video and let them know to come prepared with keep, stop, start, and then have a group brainstorm. And we do this, I mentioned before, and we get so many great ideas out of this activity. And also it just makes sure that for the next quarter and now for the last few months of the year, we can be hyper focused and we can ignore anything that is not serving the business and our members right now. So really good activity. And if you are someone who would love to just go a little bit hard and get ready for a new year, when we'll see what the new year brings, then make sure you come also to our Blast Off marketing workshop. And this is a 2-hour masterclass we run here from our studio. You can see there's a whole bunch of scribbles behind me. And in these 2 hours, we go through the one-page marketing plan. So we share with you exactly how to put together a one-page marketing plan for your business. We also look at the online ecosystem. So what is working online right now and how can you build an ecosystem so that anything that you're doing, online or offline, is working together so you can gain momentum and grow your business. So if you would love to join us at this session, you can see the link somewhere below or above this video. Hopefully see you there.